Easy as pie. Understanding a cakewalk. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the sweet meaning behind the phrase, a cakewalk. So grab your notebooks, and let's dive into the delicious world of English idioms. The term, cakewalk, originated in the 19th century in the American South. It was a dance competition where the winners were awarded a cake. The idea was to strut around in a circle, competing to look as stylish as possible. The ones who walked with the most flair and confidence won the prize, making it quite literally a walk for a cake. Fast forward to today, and a cakewalk no longer refers to a dance but has become a popular idiom. It is used to describe something that is extremely easy or effortless. When someone says, "It was a cakewalk," they mean that the task was as simple as winning a contest just by walking stylishly. Let's put our idiom into action. If you pass an exam without much study and find it very easy, you might say, "The exam was a cakewalk for me." Or if your friend is worried about a new job task, you can reassure them by saying, "Don't worry, you've got this. It'll be a cakewalk for you." It's important to note that idioms like a cakewalk carry cultural nuances. While they are commonly used in American English, they might not be well understood in other cultures where English is spoken. So, always consider your audience when using idioms. And that's a wrap on a cakewalk. We hope this video made understanding this phrase a piece of cake for you. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll slice into more English idioms. Happy learning! And remember, language learning is not always a cakewalk, but it's always an adventure.